Wholesalers, stop trying to get brand exclusive deals without providing value first. Now you hear this all the time. How do you provide value to your partners? And sometimes it's not that simple. They already have people that are willing to resell their goods, right? How do you differentiate yourself? Well, I'll show you how right now. In SmartScout, we have something called an AI listing architect. Now, AI is a scary buzzword nowadays. All this essentially is we're connecting ChatGPT to our keyword data amongst our 12 keyword tools to build a perfect listing so you don't have to. Now let's get into it. So if I come into SmartScout and go to the AI listing architect, I'm gonna click create listing. Now I can build one from scratch. Maybe you're launching products for the brand, you're launching bundles for the brand, or I can build from an existing listing. For this one, I'm going to build from an existing listing. This particular ASIN is Liquid Death's mango chainsaw flavor. Now, it's going to take their listing as is. If you know anything about listings, you know that this is pretty dry. That would indicate to me that a lot of their traffic is coming off Amazon and they're still able to do so well, which would make sense if you're familiar with their branding. AI can be scary, like I said before, but essentially what this is we're taking ChatGPT, which a copywriter would probably use anyway, and we're connecting it with our 12 keyword tools so that you don't have to do all the work and thoughts on your end to build a great listing for a prospective partner. Now, I can create these listings in seconds. All I have to do is come here. I can go to the advanced view or the default view. I'm gonna select the advanced view right now. I can add any keywords I want or take any of them out. We have concluded that these are the best keywords when we compare them across other ASINs in this subcategory. So I'm just gonna leave them. And then I can also select a tone. So if you're familiar with Liquid Death, I'm gonna say witty, and I'm gonna say generate all. It might take a few seconds and we're gonna load up a new listing from scratch. And now we see all of these new keywords. What I'm seeing here is if there's a highlighted word, that's one of the keywords over here being used. We'll see the search volume, the relevancy. Let's say that it's not good enough for you. I can add anything that I want right here. Let's say that I want it to be a little bit quirkier. Let's say that I want it to include something about me and Liquid Death working together potentially. I'm gonna add this in the command box. And just like that, I can regenerate it, have it say those words, anything that I want. But the most important thing to remember is instead of doing this yourself, which you may not have been doing anyway, I have an easy value add for a potential partner, getting more money in my pocket in a matter of seconds. So don't be that guy that asks for everything and gives nothing in return. Lead with value, make those connections, make those partnerships, and make more money in your pocket using SmartScout.